we talk about breathable construction or breathable mortars, breathable materials. What we're actually looking for are three elements of moisture movement. So the first one, which is often what most people look for, or most people are aware of, is that of permeability. So it's the ability of the mortar, render, plaster, or the material to allow water vapor, moisture to pass through it. Now, in terms of permeability, we are generally always looking for a high permeability when we're working with solid walls, because if moisture is present, we do not want to restrict its movement. So high permeability tends to be the sort of standard. We then move on to capillarity, which is equally as important. Some would say more so, but this is the ability of that mortar to absorb and release water as a liquid. Now, if you were looking at an external mortar, you would probably want to go with a low capillarity. You don't want it to absorb lots of liquid. You don't want lots of water being poured into the building. However, if you were using an internal mortar, you would probably want to focus more on a higher capillarity mortar, because if water is present, it's not going to restrict its movement. It has the ability to allow it to escape. We then also have hygroscopicity, and this is the ability of the material to absorb and release water as a vapor.